Hey guys, Mike Bays here, Bettendorf Stanford, coming at you with another video. Today we're going to talk about tuckers. Before we get talking, we're going to always have a word about safety. We've got nothing to cut off here. We've got nothing to lock out. We're on a workbench, but as always, work safe and work smart, guys, and don't do anything that's unsafe. And if we ever tell you to do anything that's not safe, don't listen to us. Or if it's against policy in your plant, don't listen to us. Okay. When you're as old as me, you know what dinosaur tastes like chicken. You've been around a lot, been in a lot of bakeries. And probably 95% of all the bakeries I've ever been to in the whole world, their products can be bagged on one of these 4 sets of tuckers that's in front of me right now. There is a lot of real special tuckers that we have made for one product, for one customer, but almost everything in a normal product range can be bagged with these 4 tuckers. So let's talk about the standard tucker. This is standard. It's not our most popular, but it is a standard tucker. The top, the bottom tucker are the same. This is a right hand. Let's talk about the handing aid for a second. Every machine, whether the machine is right hand or left hand, will require a right hand and a left hand tucker. So the tuckers are handed, but only on the machine. So on a standard tucker, the bottom tucker and the top tucker are approximately the same length. Our most popular tucker by far is this model here. The top tucker is about an inch, a little over an inch longer than the standard tucker. What this gets you is when your tuckers retract and come together, it's longer, so you're closer together, and then when they go into the bag, they are closer together. Get you in a little bit tighter bag. This probably accounts for 75% of all of our overall sales of tuckers is this tucker. Now we go to a deep. A deep tucker starts to get just a little bit complicated. You have a tucker pivot. This is a right hand pivot, this is a left hand pivot. On a deep tucker, the right hand pivot and the left hand pivot are flip-flopped. So they are turned upside down and put on the tucker, as this shows here. That allows the tucker to raise open taller. When you flip-flop your pivot, you also must change your lifter rod. One lifter rod, coincidentally, the deep lifter rod is actually shorter than the regular, compensated for by the pivot. Deep tuckers also have 2 sets of holes. Typically, they're going to be set up in this set of holes. If you're running a really tall product, you can set it up in this set of holes. Only used if you're running a really tall products, deep tuckers. Most people don't use deep tuckers. Now, in the last few years, the 3-on-3 product has become really popular. The 3-on-3 6-pack. Standard tucker table that's here will not close close enough, won't get your tuckers close enough together to bag that 3-on-3 product unless you're running like a 5.5-inch bun or something. So we make a wide flange tucker, which is to say your flange here is an inch deeper on this tucker than on a regular tucker. So it is offset to the middle. That will actually, when you put both sets of tuckers on your machine, that will move them. Might help if I put the right on the right and left on the left. That will move them 2 inches closer together. That will allow you to close up enough to run that small 3-on-3 product. The drawback to that is if you're running in a very wide product after that, you'll probably have to change back to a regular set of tuckers. Changing them is not hard. You take off the one nut, put the tucker on, put the nut on. It's not a difficult job. It just takes a few minutes to do. So just remember, standard, call it popular if you will, deep, and wide flange. If you're had any issues with your tuckers or got any kinds of questions, guys, don't hesitate to call us. Talk to us about it. We do the FaceTime now. You can send us pictures. We'll send you pictures back, whatever it takes. You guys know you got our number, and I'm sure it'll be on the bottom of the screen. You got a number, you know who to contact. We're all available to help you guys anytime you need help. You guys, I don't have nothing else to say about this. If you got nothing to say, once you got any questions, you just give us a call. And work safe, work smart. Walk out of the bakery with all the fingers that you walk in with, and we'll get another video in a week or so.